Welcome back YouTube, VST here, and today I have been using the AVG6 Always firmware on my S22 Ultra, and I think it's about time to check which of the applications, Samsung stock applications, have updates. And of course we have a few. Reminder, the calendar, game launcher, the game booster, one of the best Samsung apps, not. Then we have the Samsung Capture, and the probably best app out there, the GOS, the game optimizing service, which actually people do tutorials on how to remove, so you get the joke. But okay, first things first, the reminder. Hey, we have a changelog. This is quite new. What's new? Possible to sync with the Microsoft To Do checklist, possible to share the reminders, sync by pulling down the list screen, support trash after reminder is removed. Okay, this I think we can test. Change the category on the widget screen, possible to remove times from text added. Alright, this pretty much sounds nice. We do have a version of 12.3.0.7.0 and it's almost 25 megabytes. Jesus, for a reminder application. Oh my god. Samsung Calendar, the next one, also changelog there. Not sure, Samsung is probably watching some of my videos. Yeah, I know, it's too far stretched, but the version here is 12.3.6, 1044 megabytes. Samsung, shame on you. They're really, yeah, very big. Possible to check the group calendar invitations on the calendar management screen. Provide the option to remove the recognized time in quick and support languages. Feature that turns on and off time recognition in quick add. Automatic recommendation of place input through the analysis of place information entered in the title. Jesus, that really sounds like awful lot of AI. The game launcher, guys, bugs fixed. Yeah, that's pretty much clear. The version is 6.0.7.6 from the 26th of July, and it's almost 17 megabytes. Then the next one is the Samsung Capture. Yes, again, very thoughtful, very thorough changelog. The bug is fixed. Version 4.9.5.8.1, 23 megabytes. And now I'm approaching slowly but steady to the best applications, not the game booster, right? Of course. Here there is an update notification. Bug fixed. Feature updates may differ depending on your device. The version is 4.0.0.1.0, only 8 megabytes, okay, and then the famous GOS, which caused really so much controversy that at the end really got Samsung a free ban from Geekbench, because, you know, you remember the story? Samsung were manipulating the results for some of the benchmarks and throttling and this and that. Okay, let's not go there. You can just see the rating is awful. Version is 3.5.0.4.8, only 7 megabytes, no proper changelog, nothing. So I'm going to update this one, and with that, guys, I will now have almost everything updated. Latest firmware, which is the Always AVG6, and latest Samsung stock applications. So what we can of course check is not so much, but of course the reminder. So I'm going to open the reminder, guys. All right. Oh, okay. Reminder added. So there was a pretty much nice sound pop up here. So nice welcoming sounds. All right. Microsoft To Do the reminders. All right. Let me just add a reminder here. Is get new PS5 game. All right. The reminder is going to be for, let's say, tomorrow. Okay, let me just see what happens if I press the place. Okay, I'm gonna be able to add some things. It's not so bad. And let's see, I'm going to add a category which is gonna be gaming. All right, I'm also going to add another category which is, let's say, not gaming, right? Just for the sake of the test. What I'm gonna do right now, guys, I will try to delete this reminder saved. Then go to the trash, see if what they said in the changelog is there, and the next thing I will create a widget or use a widget and just try to see if I am able to change the category. So here, am I able to delete that one? If I select it like this, delete all, move to trash, and I should be now able to go back in the trash, and hey, yes, it's there. So can I bring it back somehow? Restore. All right, that's cool. So I have here indeed a new reminder which is set to gaming, sorry, to not gaming. I'll choose gaming. Okay, save it. Now let me just try to go on my widget testing screen, guys. So I'm gonna remove the one from here and I'm going to add a new widget. It's gonna be the reminder widgets. So reminder, okay, reminder, we have two options. Reminder that, reminder this. All right, let's just go for this. Looks a bit more organized. So let's see what happens here. What is the deal with this? Okay, get a new game done. Now, how can I okay, from here maybe to this. All right, is this what they say? I think it is, guys. So it pretty much works. Let me move it back to gaming and save it. And all right, it's gaming. Now let me just change it to not gaming, save it again. Yep, not gaming. And if I complete this, hopefully get myself a new game, click here. Yes. Alright guys, this has been really a quick video. Appreciate if you like it. If the content I do resonates well with you, then you might want to subscribe to this channel, and this will be really much appreciated. Thank you. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. And with that said, you know, VST and a white Lambo out.